Planning a kitchen, it's not just about style, it needs to be functional too. It's about creating a space that's both functional and efficient. From ignoring the work triangle to poor lighting and inadequate storage, small design mistakes can lead to daily frustrations. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, here are some key pitfalls to avoid to ensure a smooth, practical, and beautiful kitchen layout. Common kitchen design mistakes to avoid. 1. Ignoring the work triangle. The kitchen work triangle is a design principle that positions the three main work areas, the sink, the stove, and the refrigerator, in a triangular layout. This setup minimizes movement, making cooking more efficient and comfortable. Avoid placing these areas too far apart or too close, so you don't waste steps or feel cramped. 2. Poor workflow and traffic flow. Ever feel like your kitchen is hard to move around in? You might have poor workflow and traffic flow. Poor workflow means your fridge, sink, and stove aren't placed efficiently, making cooking frustrating. Poor traffic flow happens when walkways are too tight or blocked, causing people to bump into each other. Fix it with these simple tips. Keep the fridge, sink, and stove in a workable triangle. Make sure walkways are wide enough for easy movement. Arrange appliances and counters to reduce extra steps. 3. Not enough counter space. A lack of counter space can make meal prep difficult and inefficient. To solve this, ideally prep areas should be near the sink and stove for easy access to water and cooking. Consider adding a kitchen island for extra workspace or extending existing countertops to maximize functionality. 4. Inadequate storage solutions. Poor storage can make kitchen organization difficult. High upper cabinets are hard to reach, and lower cabinets without pull-out drawers waste space. To improve storage, use tall cabinets to maximize vertical space. Deep drawers with organizers can also help store pots, pans, and utensils more efficiently, making the kitchen more functional and clutter-free. 5th, placing the sink too far from the stove. The sink and stove should be positioned close together for convenience and safety. If they are too far apart, carrying hot pots and draining liquids becomes difficult and increases the risk of spills or accidents. A well-planned kitchen layout ensures a smooth workflow, making cooking and cleaning more efficient. 6. Improper appliance placement. Dishwashers should be next to the sink for easy loading. The fridge should be easily accessible without interfering with prep areas. 7. Poor lighting. Overhead lighting alone can create shadows and reduce visibility. A well-lit kitchen should combine recessed lighting for overall brightness, under-cabinet lighting for better countertop visibility. 8. Oversized or undersized kitchen island. A kitchen island should be properly sized to enhance functionality. A minimum of 42 inches is required to allow comfortable movement. However, if space permits, 48 inches is ideal for a smoother and more efficient workflow. Anything less than 36 inches can make the space feel cramped, restricting movement and making everyday tasks less convenient. The ideal island balances size and utility, ensuring easy movement and practical use for cooking, dining, or storage. 9. Lack of electrical outlets. Insufficient electrical outlets can make using small appliances inconvenient. Placing enough outlets in key areas, such as islands and under cabinets, ensures easy access for kitchen tools like blenders, coffee makers, and toasters. Proper outlet placement improves functionality and convenience in the kitchen. 10. Forgetting ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining air quality in the kitchen. A good range hood helps remove smoke, grease, and cooking odors, preventing buildup and keeping the space fresh. Without proper ventilation, heat and odors can linger, making the kitchen uncomfortable and less efficient. 11. Choosing style over function. Prioritizing style over functionality can lead to an impractical kitchen. Trendy designs may look great, but can make cooking and cleaning difficult. It's important to choose durable materials and a layout that supports daily tasks, ensuring both aesthetics and efficiency. 12. Overlooking trash and recycling bins. Neglecting proper trash and recycling storage can lead to clutter and inconvenience. Designating specific spaces for trash, compost, and recycling bins keeps the kitchen organized, clean, and more efficient for daily use. And that's it. Avoiding these common kitchen design mistakes will help you create a space that's both beautiful and practical. Which tip did you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.